All right, back again, I guess, doing another video. Wasn't planning on doing another video, but here we've got an FX35, and the problem we had, or still having, I guess, as of this video, is the rear hatch up here. You know, obviously your rear hatch. Anyway, it stopped working. It stopped going up and down. You'd hit the button, and it would act like it's going up, but it wouldn't drive the motors to actually lift the lift gate, and it wouldn't close the lift gate. And I searched all over everywhere that I could find, trying to find what could cause this. And we've replaced the lift struts, we've replaced the buttons on the dash, we've reset the system, we changed the fuse, all to no avail. And anyway, last resort, I started looking at this in the passenger rear corner. See if I can get a better light in here. This is a disaster mess. Anyway, down here in the corner, there is the door control module. I didn't think it was going to be this, but when I got down in here, this is what I found. See if I can get it to focus there. See all that corrosion? I do not know how this got here, but that is horrible. And that is enough to cause problems for your rear lift gate, lift hatch, door, whatever, to not open. And if you look in there, see all that corrosion? I do not know if this thing's salvageable. We're gonna try it and see. But for anybody else looking to even know where this door module is, it's in the back corner. You have to take out the spare tire to get to it, but it's definitely worth noting that that's where it is, because I could not find anything on where it was. So anyway, stay tuned. If this ends up fixing it by either cleaning up these or replacing this module and cleaning up these connectors, I will get back and post another video of the progress, but I think I've found the problem. So hopefully this helps somebody out, and if not, it'll at least help me out to remember where I did it. So there you go.